quinoa with beans, avocado, and orange. Here's what you'll need to prepare this salad. The first step is to cook the quinoa. In a medium saucepan, combine your rinsed quinoa with the water and a generous pinch of salt. Bring the mixture to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 20 minutes or until the quinoa is tender and the water is absorbed. While the quinoa is cooking, prepare the remaining salad ingredients and the dressing. You could just peel and segment the oranges if you like, but I prefer to cut them into supremes for the salad. That just means to cut the membrane away from each segment. For the dressing, you'll want to combine half an avocado, some orange and lime juices along with some lime zest, the spices, that is salt, cumin, and ground chili, a little bit of honey, maybe a teaspoon or two, but no more, and some hot sauce. Give that a good buzz until it is well blended and smooth. Taste it and add more hot sauce, honey, salt, cumin, or even a little bit more lime juice if necessary. For the salad, in a large serving bowl or platter, combine about half a cup of corn, a can of beans, minced red onion, sliced celery, plus a few of the leaves, diced avocado, and the orange segments. Gently toss this to combine. You don't want to be too rough with it because you want to keep the avocado in individual pieces, but you do want it well mixed. And then add the hot quinoa to your bowl with the citrus and the avocado. Again, toss gently. You want the ingredients to be well combined, but not necessarily mixed so much that you have a big mush. Drizzle on the dressing, gently mix to combine, and it's ready to serve. You could also treat this like a grain bowl if you like, and you could layer the quinoa and then do each individual ingredient in a small pile and drizzle the dressing on top. That looks a lot better, but let's face it, it's gonna get mixed together anyway, so you might as well just go ahead and mix it in the bowl, and then that way with each bite you get a bit of all of the flavors. This can be served warm at room temperature or chilled. It is delicious all the ways. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.